Hello everyone, my name is Vaishnav Mishra Deshmukh. Today's topic is the static keyword in the Java and today's date is the 13 August 22. Now I discuss in the what is static keywords in the Java. The static keywords in the Java, it is used in the memory and management of the memory, and it is used in the variables, methods, block and nested class. Then it is the static keyword is the uses in the instance of a class and the class. Then it can be used in the Java. First is the variable is also known as the variable. Method is also known as the method, block and the nested of the class. The Java in the static variables. Firstly, in the Java is method is the declares in the variable as the static is also known as the static variable, and then it is the static variable used in the common property of the object, and then it is the not a unique of each object. There are the examples in the static keywords in the company name, employee, college name and student. Then it is the variable static variables in the get a memory in the only one area of a class and the at a time in the class is loaded. Then it is the advantages of a static variable. You can be mainly the programs in the memory efficiency. Then it is the examples of the static variable. Suppose in the 500 students in the college, and then in the instance of the data members and the get a memory of data at a time is the object is the created, and the instance of the data is the boot, and the college is the refers in the common property of the object. Then it is the discuss in the static in the Java, and then it is there are the static keyword in the any method, and it is also known as the static method. Firstly, in the static method is the belongs to the class and object of the class. Then it is the static keywords is the access in the static of the data and the change the value. And then it is the static keywords is the involves the without in the instance of the class. Then is the variable in the static keywords. Then it is the static keywords is the object is the not created, and then it is the non-static keyword is the create a JVM in the object, and first is the call is the main method. Then it is discuss in the first is the static. Static is the variable, it is the variable is the instance class is the access in the main area of a memory, and then it is the non-static keywords. It is the main is the object is the created, and the access in the heap memory. Then it is the static variable. The static variable in the multiple copy is not allowed it, and then it is the same output in the parent and child class and display the last value. Then it is the non-static variable. The multiple copies is allowed it. There are the two types of the variable in the static keyword. First is the primitive variable and second is the non-primitive. The primitive variable, the method is executed in the first in the common of the stack, and then it is the non-static. The non-static keyword in the stack is the data in the object in the store in the heap memory. This is the some discussion of a static keyword in the Java.